In 2025, autumn fashion is leaning toward bold accessories with vintage character and earthy tones that echo the season's natural beauty. Brooches are making a strong comeback, not only as accents on coats and scarves, but also as statement pieces on dresses and bags. Today I'll share my top favourite autumn brooches of the 2025, each chosen for its unique charm and seasonal elegance. I begin my collection of the finest autumn brooches for 2025 with this ornate vintage piece. The gold-toned filigree captures the richness of autumn foliage, while the vibrant green stones add a lingering touch of summer, reminding us that the season has only just passed. Accented with coral orange beads, the design echoes harvest tones, falling leaves, and seasonal warmth. Although less versatile for daily wear than others in the collection, its bold, decorative presence makes it the perfect piece to begin our journey into this year's autumn brooches. Next in my autumn brooch collection is this captivating piece that truly embraces the season's warmth. At the centre sits a bold amber-coloured stone, glowing like autumn sunsets. The ornate gold-toned frame surrounding it adds a sense of vintage refinement, making it feel both timeless and dramatic. What makes this brooch particularly distinctive are the delicate hanging elements at the bottom. Tiny beads and drops that create gentle movement and catch the light as you wear it. These details give the piece a sense of life and rhythm, almost like falling leaves swaying in the wind. On the side, clusters of pearls and iridescent stones bring an extra layer of richness, perfectly complementing the fiery centerpiece. This brooch is not just an accessory, but a statement that captures both the strength and elegance of the autumn season. At first glance, this brooch immediately draws the eye with its natural elegance. The centerpiece is a polished brown stone, its caramel and amber bands resembling the rich layers of autumn earth and wood. Surrounding it are smaller stones in an array of colours: moss green, burnt red, cloudy cream, and even touches of sky blue, capturing the diversity of a crisp autumn landscape. The silver-toned frame provides a cool backdrop, enhancing the warmth of the stones and giving the design depth. What makes this brooch especially suited for autumn is its harmony of grounding earth tones and seasonal vibrancy. It pairs beautifully with heavier fabrics like wool or tweed, becoming both a refined accessory and a subtle celebration of the season's changing colours. This brooch is a radiant celebration of autumn's richness. At its heart lies a deep, dark stone that immediately draws the eye, surrounded by glowing, sparkling amber and golden crystals that shimmer like the season's turning leaves. The mix of warm yellows with smoky grey accents gives it both vibrancy and depth, echoing the balance of light and shadow in autumn days. What makes it especially suited for autumn 2025 is how it reflects the current trend of bold, vintage-inspired statement pieces, designed not just to complement cosy textures like wool and tweed, but to stand out as the centerpiece of an outfit. Brooch perfectly captures the essence of mid-autumn, when the leaves have reached their golden peak and the landscape is filled with warm glowing tones. Designed in the shape of a broad layered leaf, it shines with a textured gold finish that reflects light beautifully, giving it both depth and elegance. The cutout details in the design add movement and delicacy, almost as if the leaf is still catching the wind. What makes it especially fitting for autumn wear is how its rich, golden shade complements the seasonal palette, pairing effortlessly with browns, deep greens, and warm neutrals. In 2025, when nature-inspired accessories are trending, this brooch stands out as both timeless and fashion-forward, making it the perfect choice to highlight the richness of mid-autumn style. This brooch is a true jewel of autumn, and what makes it so captivating is the way it tells a story through its design and colours. The large faceted stones in deep amber and rich wine red instantly bring to mind the shades of autumn leaves, glowing as the light filters through them. Nestled among these are sparkling crystals in bright fuchsia and violet, which catch the eye with every movement, adding vibrancy and energy to the piece. It's exactly this play of light and colour that makes the brooch impossible to ignore. Wherever you wear it, it naturally becomes a centerpiece of attention. The arrangement of the stones, almost like a blooming branch, celebrates the beauty of nature transitioning into autumn. Even the back of the brooch is finished in a warm golden tone, a detail that shows craftsmanship and ensures the piece feels luxurious from every angle. Always, and especially in 2025, when bold and sparkling statement accessories are in fashion, this brooch perfectly embodies the season. Dramatic, colourful, and endlessly elegant. Stunning fusion of natural beauty. Designed in the form of a blooming rose, its petals cradle a glowing natural amber stone that shines like captured autumn sunlight. The silver stem and detailed leaves add an elegant contrast, highlighting the warmth of the amber and giving the piece a timeless organic feel. Perfect for any autumn, especially in 2025, it reflects both the richness of the season and the enduring charm of classic jewellery design. An accessory that is delicate yet striking and impossible to overlook. This brooch is a radiant symbol of mid to late autumn, capturing the golden beauty of the season. Its circular design, adorned with glowing yellow-gold stones, mirrors the richness of autumn leaves at their peak, shimmering as they catch the light. The warm tones bring depth and vibrancy, making the piece both elegant and full of seasonal character. What makes it especially appealing is its versatility. Whether worn on a wool coat, a scarf, or a dress, it instantly elevates the outfit while reflecting the glowing colours of autumn days. With its timeless design and autumnal brilliance, this brooch is the perfect way to carry the season's warmth into your style. This final brooch is, to me, the most extraordinary of the collection because it is not just inspired by nature, it is nature itself. At first glance, it may look like a finely crafted piece of metal, but in reality, it began as a real leaf. Through a process known as galvanics, or electroplating, the leaf was carefully coated with a thin layer of metal, such as copper or zinc. In simple terms, the leaf is placed in a solution, and with the help of an electrical current, the metal bonds to it, sealing every vein, line, and texture. The result is astonishing. The fragile leaf is preserved forever in metal, keeping its natural beauty intact for a lifetime. The warm coppery tones echo the rich colours of autumn, making this brooch perfect for any stage of the season, from the first golden days to the very end of fall. What makes it even more special is that this method of preservation is considered an art form in itself, so much so that similar works are displayed in the Victoria and Albert Museum in London. Wearing this brooch is like carrying a real piece of autumn with you, transformed into something timeless, elegant, and unique. That is why I believe it is the finest piece in my collection of the finest brooches that I am happy to present to you. Some of them are already sold. If you're interested in any of them, just visit my eBay for availability. Thank you. If you wish to purchase something from my eBay, just scroll down and check link down in the description, or just search for Rare Lane Seller. Thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.